So today we're going to be making beef and cheese enchiladas. I have 3 tablespoons of oil. I have 2 cups of chicken broth, 3.5 tablespoons of flour. I have 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of sugar. And so right now we're going to heat up our oil. And once your oil is heated up, you want to add in your flour. Mix that around and let it cook down so that it doesn't have a flour taste. We're making a roux right now. All right, you guys. So now that we're done with that part, we're going to add in our chili powder. Now you want to make sure that your heat is lowered down so that this does not burn. As soon as you add in your chili powder, you want to start stirring it so it doesn't stick and it doesn't burn. Once you're done stirring that in, you want to add in your 2 cups of chicken broth. And now you can begin to add in the rest of your seasonings, your cumin, garlic powder, salt, cinnamon, and sugar. So you're going to continue to stir this for about 4 minutes. Continue to stir every once in a while until it's thick and it's ready to go. And now we're going to start our meat. So here I put about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I put onions and peppers. Now peppers are not original to the dish, but we like to use peppers for most of our dishes. So you don't have to put that in if you don't want to. We're going to saute this on a medium heat. So now we add in a pound of ground beef. So now that the meat is done cooking, I drained the fat, and we're going to start adding in our spices. I'm adding in some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, as well as a Mexican spice that I have. It has paprika, cumin, and chili powder in it. I would just, if you're going to add it separately, I would just add in a little bit of each. And then it also has the garlic and the onion powder in it as well. So now that we're done with our meat, we're going to get a baking dish, and you're going to add some of the enchilada sauce to the bottom of the dish. Spread it around evenly throughout the whole bottom. So now you're going to put the tortilla shell inside of the enchilada sauce. I'm using tongs. You can use your hands if you like. And you're going to put the tortilla shell on a plate. Add some of the cheese. I'm using a Mexican cheese. You can use cheddar, whichever you prefer to use. And then you want to add in your ground beef. As you can see, I'm putting it closer towards myself, towards the edge, leaving it about 1 inch thickness so I can roll it over. And now you want to fold in the one side, and then you want to roll it. Place that into the baking pan and continue until you're done. Now we're using flour tortillas. You can use corn tortillas. Those are more traditional to the dish. And then I'm using 12 inches. You can use the 6-inch shells. That would give you about 8. And I made about 4 with this. So if you like to make more, you can always double the recipe. And now you want to add cheeses to the top. And your oven should be preheated at 400 degrees. And you want to put the dish in for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it until it's golden brown. And this is what it should look like, you guys. And it was delicious. So I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.